They're constructed with strong and durable alloy steel designed to support whatever latex, memory foam, or box spring mattress you slide on top of it. Hey everyone, Sleep Chef here. Today I'll be looking at two metal platform bed frames. First we have the ZINUS Lorelai 14-inch bed frame, and next to that, the ZINUS Yelena 14-inch bed frame. I assembled both of these platform bed frames myself, and neither of them took too long. You'll find instructions and all the tools you need in the packaging, so there's no need to open up the toolbox. Both bed frames we have here are queens, but they can also be ordered as a twin, full, or king. They have a similar weight, 37 pounds for the Lorelai and 35 for the Yelena, and they both have a height of 14 inches. With that height, there's 13 inches of underbed clearance for storing extra odds and ends. You'll also find you don't need a box spring for either of these ZINUS platform bed frames, as they're constructed with strong and durable alloy steel designed to support whatever latex, memory foam, or box spring mattress you slide on top of it. Both bed frames are delivered with a 5-year, worry-free limited warranty, plus the peace of mind knowing that your bed frame can support up to 700 pounds or 350 if you order the twin size. One notable difference is with the ZINUS Yelena bed frame, which features pre-drilled holes in 2 of the legs for attaching any standard size headboard. If this feature is on your wish list, I definitely suggest the ZINUS Yelena bed frame over the ZINUS Lorelai. Other than that, I recommend both the ZINUS Lorelai 14-inch platform bed frame and the ZINUS Yelena 14-inch platform bed frame to anyone who is looking for a minimalist design and would like some extra storage space beneath their bed.